Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this session we are going to discuss about an important chapter of class 10 which is arithmetic progression. Without wasting our time, let's start. Arithmetic progression, it is the sequence of number in which the difference between the consecutive numbers is same. Sequence, if you are arranging the number in an order, we call it as sequence. Difference, that is nothing but subtracting the two numbers. And consecutive numbers, it is nothing but the neighboring numbers. If you subtract the two numbers which are neighboring to each other, you have to get the difference same. Let me clear this with an example. I had considered this sequence of number 1, 3, 5 and 7. Now, consecutive numbers means the numbers which are neighboring to each other. 1 and 3, this is a consecutive number. 3 and 5 is a consecutive number. 5 and 7 is consecutive number. Now, if I subtract this consecutive number, I have to get the same difference. Now look, 3 minus 1, how much? 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. So if you are subtracting these numbers, you are getting the same difference. So this sequence of numbers are said to be in arithmetic progression. And the numbers in this arithmetic progression are referred as terms. So 1, it is the first term. 3, it is the second term. 5, it is the third term. 7, it is the fourth term. And the first term is denoted by the letter A and the common difference. If you subtract the two consecutive number, you will get one number. So that number we call it as common difference. So common difference is denoted by the letter D and the first term is denoted by the letter A. Remember this letter, common difference is denoted by D and the first term is denoted by A. Here 1, it is the first term, we denote it by A or either A1. Second term, it is denoted by A2. Third term denoted by A3 and fourth term it is denoted by A4 and so on. Remember, the last term is denoted by AN. A or A1, it is the first term. AN, it is the last term. Hope you understood. Now let's move to the next concept of this chapter, that is general form of AP. The general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Now observe here, A it is the first term, D it is the common difference. So first term it is A or A1. So if you add the common difference to the first term, you get the second term. If you add 2 times of common difference to the first term, you will get the third term. And if you add 3 times of D to the first term, you will get the fourth term. Now observe here, 2 we have and the coefficient of D 1. And for the third term, coefficient of D is 2. And for the fourth term, coefficient of D is 3. So basically, if I consider AN as the last term, what will be the coefficient of D? That is 1 less. So N less than 1 means N minus 1. So A plus N minus 1 into D. So which is the next concept of your chapter, that is the nth term. So nth term is equal to A plus N minus 1 times of D. Nth term, it is also called as general term and it is denoted by the letter AN, and AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Remember this, nth term of AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 times of D. Hope you understood. Now let's move to the next concept of this chapter, that is sum of n terms of AP. So basically here you have the two formulas. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times of D, where you know a is the first term and D is the common difference, and sum of n terms is denoted by the letter Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times of D. Or we have one more formula, that is n by 2 a plus an. If we have the last term, we will use this formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an, and if we have not provided the last term, we will use this formula, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times of D. Now, why these formulas are used? So let me clear you with an example. I'll consider one arithmetic progression 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Now observe this arithmetic progression. Here the first term is A and first term is denoted by A and it is equal to 2. And the common difference is, you'll get if you subtract the two consecutive number. D is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now if the question is given, find the sum of first 10 terms. Here you have only 4 terms and next they have given the continuous progression. Now you have to find what will be the sum of first 10 terms. So we will use this formula. Yes, n is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now look, what is n? It is nothing but the number of terms. How many terms given here? First 10 terms. So our value of n will be equal to 10. Now substitute these values, you'll get the answer. S10 is equal to, value of n we have 10 by 2, 2, value of a 2, and value of n we have again 10 minus 1, and value of D we have 2. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5, 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 9 and 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 22, 5 22. Now 22 into 5, nothing but 110. Hope you understood. This is the introduction video of the lesson arithmetic progression. In the next video, we are going to solve the exercise problems. Thank you for watching.